So you guys have seen my video, hopefully, of the zip line install over the pond. I actually did 2 zip lines, but you know, that was nice of zip line gear to provide the big one over the pond. The downside is you got to find a way to get up to it. So, you know, where I wanted it over here at the pond, in order to get my launch at the right height, you can see up here, I'm not sure exactly, I have to measure, but it's probably, I call it 12 feet with just a guesstimate high for that cable. So I've had a ladder, and I can hop on the top of the ladder and hop on the zip line. That obviously isn't ideal long term, it's not the safest. So I was going to build a wooden structure. Right now, lumber is still crazy. It's actually come down a little bit, but it's still ridiculous to get lumber. So I was scouring Facebook Marketplace for what I could find, and lo and behold, I find this guy. So this is a big adjustable stair set, and what it's actually for is for an airport for an airplane. So it's designed to raise and lower for the different type of aircraft, and that's ideal for me because I was still placing the zip line in the final position, so I didn't know exactly how high I needed it. So this should meet all my needs. I might have to, I might have to adjust it, you know, with the wheels, or we'll have to see. I have to, you know, level it out at least. But it has a hydraulic tank down here, and then it has a hydraulic piston that, you know, is supposed to actually raise it hydraulically. That doesn't work, but honestly, I don't care because I can use my Bobcat and lift it up, and then it has a lock mechanism on that cylinder that will secure it. And I might add a further, I mean, it has a metal lock that engages, but just for additional peace of mind, I might add actually a permanent weld-in piece to make sure it stays at that same position. So now I have this challenge of getting it off this trailer. So I'm going to hook my skid steer up to it, probably going to raise it up a little bit so I can get my forks in here. I'll have to see, I'll play with it, but let's get it unloaded, and then let's get it set up and see if I can make it work out for my zip line. a ratchet strap to keep it from rolling. This obviously has tires, both at the front. They're small little casters up there, but fairly good sized tires that make it roll easy. This is a little bit of a slope, so I want to actually try to get it more level. And the easiest way, other than trying to pick up the far end, is actually to lower this end. I don't need tires on this thing. It's going to sit here, I assume, for a decade or more. So I'm going to take off these tires, but before I do that, I want to get rid of the ratchet strap as well. So I got some simple fence post here, and this is a post driver, you know, so it's hollow. You can take this and whack this in. So I got lots of roots here, but I'm going to try to give it a go, get these guys in, and then I'm going to jack this up and take off the wheels and tires. Alright, so those guys are in now. So eventually, I'm thinking about grabbing some angle iron and attaching this back up to the tree and having a backstop just to keep people from falling off the backside. And also to have another, you know, way to secure that to the tree. Guys on. Alright, now we're good to go for a while.
That's Nate from the